Hi everybody, my name is Dan and you're on How to Internet, and today we will gonna discuss how to edit a PDF document. So you can see that on my desktop I have an example PDF document. This is basically a video release form, right? And let's imagine that I need to change, for example, I don't know, the title to be video release form for my school or something like that. Basically, it doesn't matter because the main point here is that I need to change the text or something inside the PDF, and now I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay, so basically let's go to our browser. Okay, we're inside of our browser, and let's go to Canva PDF editor. So you can basically see that I'm already logged in, but it's easy with the help of your email, you can easily log in. Okay, so now I need to upload my PDF. Let's go and upload my example PDF document. It's opening in Canva. And yeah, now you can see that this document has opened inside Canva and it says video release form. Okay, so let's change the text to video release form for, I don't know, for my school, right? And now let's imagine that I want this text to be bold. Okay, now it's bold. I don't know what else. We can change something else. Never mind, right? So now we just hit the download button. Yeah, all 2 pages, standard, suggested. Okay, download. And you can see that it's downloaded. Now let's open the file, and now you can see that it's video release form for my school. Basically, we've changed what was required from us. So this is basically the first way how to deal with such an issue. There is a second one, which is basically I'll just go to my Google account, then I'll go to my Google Drive, right? So here, give me a second, I want to upload a file. So now I'm uploading my example PDF. Give it a second, you can see that it's uploading. Okay, now it's uploaded to my drive. Now by double click, I'm opening it. Now let's open it with Google Documents. Yep, video release form has been, PDF document has been opened with the help of Google Docs. Now I'm adding for my school and file, download, and I want to download it again as a PDF document. Okay, now I've downloaded it again, and by double tap I can see that this PDF document has been changed. I mean, like, the text inside has been changed, and you can basically see that the quality is slightly even better than in Canva. So yeah, this is basically a quick guide how to edit a PDF document. If this was useful for you, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the like button also. I'm really putting a lot of effort into this YouTube channel, and I will be really thankful for you supporting me. Wish you a nice day. Bye bye.